Byabaho omurusitama rw'ishenjero erizoba bwanyuma y'abanyishenjero okwerezayo okwetomwita kwabo omuparliamenti bari kugira ngo baganireho n'ekitongore kya yinura bitutine kikozirwe.
Speaker, my concern is that because of the heavy rains for the last two months, most parts of the country, most bridges have been washed away, and some roads destroyed, specifically the Yinura roads.
The Yinura road that connects Ibanda and Buhweju. There is a bridge that is called the Kyangwa. It was washed away by running water on 21st November. On 23rd, there is a border cyclist called Turyasima Chrysostom who was drowned and died from the same point.
Bwanyuma ya report y'abanyishenjera babwejo nibanda Enganzi Ageihangwe yaragiira Minisita w'ebya PIDA okuza omyanya eji ngu kandi no kutandika kukora orutindo hamwe n'enguto ebisisikire omyanya eji.
That it is specific. I want to thank you, and now I will direct the minister because he knows where to go now, but before it was like he will go out throughout the country looking for Chamwanda Bridge. Now he will go to Chamwanda Bridge next week.
Government twabantu enda kurebeka ngo ingudo zitu azimaintainingaje ekiragiro kitu ekikutekaho road fund echa road fund act 2008 turebeke ngo twakikozesa nko kushishire nko kuchemire
akwaza tebekanisiibwe nchwa chimasa ngo amajani tukakuza kugenda ebitoke tuza kugenda abantu baratambure abantu barashome nitwenda ngo engutezo zikorwe hamwe n'entindo zigarurwaho ahubwo kuba enguto n'umuhanda gwentunguka umbyanga byona
bwaturiye mu wiki ya kashatu no mu mugono gurakozirwa so nico cyamforcing ijoberi kugira ngo nchereze afro ya parliament
enshumi nchehwire enjura y'amane kashishe ntindo hamwe n'enguto omucyange cha ankore gasha kwa Jime Muhumza.